Okay, folks, welcome back. This is Rob Panick of Panick Inc. Custom Shop. Today I want to go over something that I see a lot of in guitar builder groups, kit builder groups, DIY guitar groups. Um, People seem to have issues with soldering, and in particular, soldering grounds. Um, Soldering to a lug is fairly simple. Um, the lug is got a hole in it. It's open. The solder, you can stick your wire in there. Boom, pop solder on it. It's good. Soldering a ground to the body of the pot is kind of a different ball game altogether. This is thicker metal. You run a lot more of a risk of not getting a good solid connection to this. So today I'm just going to give you a little quick tip on what I do to make sure I've got a good solid ground. First, I'll lay my soldering iron on the body. Lay it there for a little bit until I start to see the color change. I don't know if you can see it real good on the video, but you'll see the color actually start to change, indicating that it's heating up. Once you've got that going, get a little bit of flux, the old trusty flux here. Doesn't take a whole lot. Get a little bit of flux, and you'll see if you've got it hot, that flux is going to melt right onto it, and become liquid. At that point, let's get our solder. Get our soldering iron. Build a nice little bubble of solder here. Now for ground wire, a lot of times I like to use, well, a lot of times, mainly what I'll use is actually has a metal sheathing along with the internal core. This whole thing can ground. Go back in where you've got your solder built up. Heat it back up with your soldering iron. Get your wire in there. Then you can come back over it. Add a little extra dollop of solder. Now you have a solid connection. This is not a cold solder. This is a good hot solder. That's grounded. That's not going to give you any problems. That's not going to give you any grounding issues and extra noise in your electronics. Super simple, super easy to do. Hope that helps some of you out. Be sure to give us a like. Check us out on Facebook. Check out our website, panickincustom.shop. Links will be in the description for our Facebook page and our website. And we've got a merch shop on the website. So go get yourself a t-shirt or a sticker or even one of our custom guitars. All right. That's it. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.